Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to just do a brief overview on the content tab of your Shopify store and how to navigate it and find the content that you upload throughout your store. So starting off in the admin section, we're going to go to the left sidebar over here and we're going to click on content. So the first tab that you're going to get into when you click on content is meta objects. We're not going to be going over in detail how meta objects work. We're going to save that for another video. But meta objects are a little bit more involved in the custom coding side of things. So if you're a casual user, if you're a site owner, this won't always be so relevant to you. And if you are a more in-depth developer, we'll go over this in a later video. But the main thing that you're going to be concerned about is the Files tab. So the Files tab is going to have any media information that you upload to your store, whether it's PDFs, video files, music files, image files, everything is going to exist over here. And you can go ahead and filter your files either by clicking search up here. You can search for a particular file by name. You can filter down by file types. You can filter down by file sizes, or you can filter down where the media is used. So if, let's say, you wanted to look specifically for a product photo, you can click product media. Other would refer to like images that you're just using for the home page or other parts of your store that are not on a product listing. So if, let's say, we chose other, right now this is the only image we have on the front end of the store. Everything else is a product image. And again, we can save a filter that we create, clicking save as if we want to refer to it later. So over here you'll see where the image is being used. In this case, it's a JPEG image. It tells you the file type over here. You can see when it was added to your store, the file size, but clicking this arrow down here will show you where the image is being used. So you can see it's used on a particular product page. You can click on this link to go directly to that product page. And if you want a link to this image, you can click on this icon over here. It will automatically copy the link, and it will show you down here link copied, and you can paste this link anywhere you want in your browser. In this case, here's the link, and if we go to this link, it will take you directly to this image page over here. You can also click on the image itself. It will show you a little bit of a preview of the image. You can change the handle, which is the URL of the image. So if you want to make the URL more manageable, you can change that over here. And you can also add alt text. So alt text is used when the image can't be shown or in certain accessibility cases. So for example, if someone's using a browser and they're blind and they can't see the image, they may use the alt text for the browser to speak and say what the image is. So it's used in a lot of accessibility cases, and it's also used for SEO purposes. So you can add an alt text to an image over here, and if you change the handle of an image, it will change anything beyond this /products point. So the handle is anything that comes at the end after the last slash in the URL. So this is all the handle, and if you were to change the handle, that would be what you'd be changing. So you can make that change over here, and that is the content as a whole. If you want to upload your own files for any sort of purposes, you can click upload files. You can upload it from your computer just as you would anything else. Then it will appear in this list, and you can copy the link and make whatever changes you like.